Okay, you can either slow down an entire video clip, like the entire clip here, or you can choose a specific part where you want to start the slow motion. So I'm going to start by slowing the whole video down, and then I'm going to show you how to select a part that you wish to slow down by using this clip. So you can do the same with the clip you are working with. So to slow your video down, you select it by tapping on it. Now that it has these white borders around it, it means it's selected. You also have these options here to know that you have selected the clip. Next, you swipe this option till you get to speed. So this is it. So tap speed. And this is the slider that you can use to speed up or slow down the video. You also have the curve option, but maybe I'll make another video about how to use this. But for now, let's go for the standard option. So right now it is on 1. So let's say this is like 100% speed. So if you want to speed it up, you may increase it to 200%, or I think it should be 1000%. But if you want to slow it down, then you go this way. And if you slow it down by 50%, if the video is like 30 seconds, then it's going to be 1 minute because you have slowed it down by half. So it's going to be twice as much, if you guys get what I mean. I'm going to bring it down to, let's say 40. So that's 40%. So after doing that, you tap here to preview it. It's not going to be very like smooth because it's doing it real time. So for it to work well, you need to tap here, and then you tap this button here, and it's going to slow down the video. So it may take some time to process, so you just need to sit back and wait for it to get done. Alright, so it is done, and now let's see what it looks like. It's going to be a lot smoother compared to the first time. See how it's smooth it looks? So yeah, that is how you do it if you want to slow down the whole video. Alright, so I'm going to undo everything, and I'll get back to you again. Alright, so I'm going to zoom into the video by just pinching out, and then I'll give it a play and check where I want to start the slow motion from. So let's say immediately his face shows up, I should begin the slow motion. So I'm going to scroll back a bit. Alright, so around here is when I want the slow motion to begin. So what I'll do is select the clip, and then I'll split it to have 2 parts. Then I want to decide where I want the slow motion to end. So I'll give it a play and see where I want it to end. Okay, so around here is where I want it to end. I don't really have a specific reason why, I just chose somewhere random. So I'll tap here to split it again, and this is the part that we want to slow down because now we have 3 parts. If I zoom out, so we have this part here, this part, and this one. If I can reach it. Okay, so we have 3 parts, but this is the one I want to slow down. So now I'll just tap on speed, and then I'll do the same thing. I'll slow it down maybe 50%. I'll tap here, and then I'll tap this, and it's going to process. It shouldn't take too long this time. Well, it took a while to start processing, but when it started, it processed it very fast. So I'm going to start the video from the beginning, and now if I give it a play, see it starts normal and then it slows down, or the slow motion starts. So when it gets to this clip, it's going to speed up again. Yeah, so alright, so that's how you do the basic slow motion effects with Inshot. There's another way to do it, and I think this one is going to be a lot more advanced, so I'm going to leave it for now. If you guys want to see a video on how to use curves, I already have one using CapCut, so I'll link it in the description, or you can watch it right now as it should be displaying on the screen. But besides that, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.